Wash dishes.
I just made a bold decision to show you guys how did I usually make my videos inside CapCut Mobile. Since many of you voted that I should put it into existence, then watch till the end. I already have here the script, but you can use ChatGPT for help, of course.
Okay.
I mean, you need to adapt, right? So as you can see, there's some lines here that ends with a question. What I usually do to each of it is that I will put an additional 2 question marks next to it just to exaggerate the emotion. After that, copy your script and paste it inside ElevenLabs, and once finished generating, click or hit the generate button to proceed to the next step. Images are one of the key most important factor to complete the craft. So when we look back to our script, it shows that we need these kind of images for the visuals. Where can we find some? Google, of course. After getting all the images, head straight to PhotoRoom to remove all backgrounds and to be able to add drop shadows to each of the images. Do it to all of the images. And we will have this result. We can use keyframes to add motions to our images. We can also use it for transitioning.
Okay.
So next, go to CapCut and put the first keyframe here, then the second keyframe here. After that, copy this graph and you will have this result. Take note that you can experiment with different directions. This is boring. But when we do this, it becomes smoother. So I don't know how to explain this. Just watch me doing it. So that's pretty much it, guys. Thanks for watching.